harmonious grin, a loyal dog beside them joining in. Both place old frames across their eyes, trying to see the world through something wise. The room grows bright with innocent play, new stories forming in a gentle way. Each borrowed lens a doorway wide to glimpse the world from another side. Trying on a view they've never known, stepping into places where imagination's grown. Through simple pretend their hearts expand, learning new truths they don't yet understand. Side by side in a moment so sincere, seeing life with wonder through borrowed gear. They tilt their heads as the lenses shift, sharing a quiet moment full of lift. The child feels brave with a thoughtful gaze, the dog stays close in their small charade. Both explore what the wise might see, opening doors to possibility. In this soft glow they begin to find how play can open the heart and mind. Trying on a view they've never known, stepping into places where imagination's grown. Through simple pretend